So, we as a human being who live in this earth, are we just useless? Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ahmadin bin Abdul Nasir. Today I will talk about smoking in public should be banned. The longer the problem continues, the more it becomes. Life is too short. So why smoking is a choice for you in life? Today I will tell you why we need to ban smoking in public. You can see with your own eyes that nowadays there are many smokers who smoke everywhere, whether in crowded area or not. They are not care all about the effect on themselves, especially on the people around them. There is no risk free level of secondhand smoke, and even brief exposure can cause immediate harm. The studies have shown that smoke-free law and prohibit smoking in public places like sports center and restaurant have improved the health of the general population. This ban aim to free public area from cigarette smoke, which is can have a bad impact on health and also give negative reaction to smokers. First, I will tell you about the effect of cigarette smoke in public area. You must want to know more about the danger of cigarette smoke to all of us because we are necessarily exposed to cigarette smoke caused by people who smoke around us. So, cigarette smoke can have a negative effect on health and the environment, as I said earlier. Most smokers do not care what will happen to others and are only self-important. Maybe only a few, but what we can see is the many of them don't care even if there are small children or old people near them. They happily blow out cigarette smoke without any humanity, and when reprimanded, most of them don't care about that and even respond back to the reprimand with bad reactions such as not being satisfied for being reprimanded. Furthermore, they like to throw the cigarette butts that have been smoked all over the place. Among the health problems that may experience cough, asthma, and lung and ear infection. In addition, smoke also increase the risk of the dangerous disease and cause 10 to 12% of death in Malaysia. One of the diseases associated with the effect of smoking is stroke. Carbon monoxide and nicotine boost make your heart work faster, increase the chance of blood clot forming. In addition, other chemicals in smoke damage the lining of the coronary arteries, leading to furring of the arteries. Compared to other people, smokers have twice the risk of heart attack and death from coronary heart disease compared to people who have never smoked. Next, cigarette smoke can produce air pollution. In fact, many people have to suppress their feeling because they not only have to smell a bad smell of cigarette smoke but also may inhale smoke that is known to contain chemical that are long enough to count. This is a result when some still stubborn and care about addiction over the comfort and health of others. Although there are law and regulation in addition to circulars and memos related to the ban of smoking, there are still many who refuse to comply with them and even think that what they are doing is something that usually happen in any workplace. Cigarette smoke trapped in a closed environment can pollute the indoor air quality of building and of course multiply the risk of health problem. In a closed space, it is of course difficult to clean cigarette smoke and the smell that stick to wall, chair, sofa and curtain, and also difficult to eliminate. It is estimated that about 4 out of 10 people in Malaysia who work in building are exposed to still secondhand smoke from tobacco and tobacco product such as cigar and vapes. Most worryingly, air pollution due to cigarette smoke in the workplace also affect to non-smoker, which is the passive smokers. This include pregnant mothers, the elderly, those who are allergic to smell of cigarette, and the children, and uh, those with weak immunity system. I am sure you feel uneasy about the effect we are about to experience. Next, I will tell you how to overcome this problem. Take steps to reduce the number of smoke who smoke. This is one of the best way to make public place smoke free. Although the various disease or danger of cigarettes have been revealed to those who smoke or the general public, but the picture is not enough to scare a smoker to reduce far away from the dangerous habit. They were never afraid of the threat and even ignore any long-term risks they would face. Therefore, certain parties have to work harder to reduce or prevent society, especially teenagers, including students, to stop smoking. The first is to hold an awareness campaign. Various campaigns need to be carried out of overcome the problem of smoking, both by the government and private parties. For example, the government need to conduct an anti-smoking campaign through various means, such as advertise show on the television, radio, poster, and talk held in school and office, and so on. In the lecture or advertise, it should be start about the danger of smoking, the effect of smoking, and the benefit of people who do not smoke or stop smoking, such as living longer, being able to avoid to poison contained in cigarette, being able to protect themselves, their family, and others from the dangerous smoking. Being an example which is a good for children, can increase fitness and have a healthy body, improve the sense of taste and smell, whiter teeth and fresh breath, and can avoid the wasteful culture by using money to buy cigarette for better and beneficial purpose. The second, having a smoke-free day a week. Having a smoke day, one day in a week, can further enhance the good effect on our intention to ban smoking in public. This is because when everyone have become accustomed, especially to the smoker himself, begins to get used to not smoking on that day, perhaps it will make the smoker not smoke on the following day. Next is government take the law related to smoking. Okay, in the country of Brunei Darussalam, the government has already established a law that does not allow anyone to smoke in certain areas, such as in cinema, hospital, school, office, and a certain public area. Fines will be imposed on anyone who violates the law. Cigarette seller in shop also do not sell cigarette to teenagers under of 18, and anyone found to be under the age of 18 will be subject to corresponding fine. The concerned parties are also expect to be able to work together in combating this habit of smoking by not selling to underage buyer and not just thinking about the profit. Okay, Malaysia government can take advice on what is being done in neighbor countries. By banning smoking in public place, we are able to save the life of people who may be in danger. Furthermore, the life of the people we love. Not forgetting the health that needs to be taken care of. In addition, when we are free from cigarette smoke, we will have a fresh air to breathe all of time. Nothing is possible to make our country smoke free. It need good support and encouragement from various parties. You may be able to be a part of me to run a campaign of banning smoking in public. Imagine you are one of the people who manage to save people life, including your own family, and the effect of from the effect of cigarette smoke. Every day, numbers of smokers increase in parallel with the number of the human population on this earth. So, what should we do as a human being who live only temporarily on this earth? Final word from me. If you are a smoker, remember that cigarette do not give any meaning or good all of us. So stop smoking, because it is not only harmful to us, but it is also harmful to yourself. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.